5D, but look.
Let me see that.
That's hard.
Oh, that is hard.
That is
I like it.
Hey, this is nothing, bro. I got. Ooh, look at.
Bruh, look at the jacket.
Look
at the jacket.
Okay.
I ain't breaking it. I ain't breaking it. I ain't breaking it.
Hey, hold up. The camera won't be broke. Hold up. The camera won't be broke. He's saying one picture. He do take wavy pictures. He's saying one.
He's extra dark skin though.
And the first one was the flyest one, period. Look at this. That's the first shot that I took out of y'all. Look at this. Look at this. The first shot I took, I'm showing you. Bomb!
What lens is that? What lens is that?
What up YouTube, we're back with another video, and in this video we're doing a mid-drop fade. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Jorge Cepeda, and I post step-by-step videos on how to cut hair. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys aren't already. But getting started with this haircut, you guys, I am using my cordless detailers right here to go ahead and set in my first guideline. And I'm basically going to start at the temple peak point, which is at the corner of his lineup, and kind of work my way over to the back. And once I get to the back, you want to go ahead and drop it so you get that drop fade effect. Next here I will be switching over to my Wall 5-star shaver, and when I'm going to go ahead and begin to bald him out, making sure I don't go all the way up to the line, just because if I do, that line is going to be really difficult to get out. So I always leave myself about 1/4 of an inch space of a gap, and then go back to my trimmers just to go ahead and get rid of that bottom line. Alright, now I'm switching over to my cordless magic clips, and I'm going to go ahead and start the fade process. Here I have the clipper all the way open with no guard, and I'm going to go ahead and create a guideline by going up about an inch. To make it easier to go ahead and blend out that bottom line, I have my trimmers, and I'm going to start to flick out that bottom line just in case there was any hard lines left in with the shaver. So now to get rid of that bottom line, I'm going to first start off with my clipper all the way closed and then work my way up halfway to go ahead and get rid of that bottom line. Alright, now that we finished blending out that bottom line, we're going to go ahead and continue that fade process using the half guard with the lever all the way open. I'm going to go ahead and create a new guideline by going up about 1/2 inch. Now here I'm actually going to start to down fade. I'm going to start with the lever halfway and then work my way all the way closed to go ahead and get rid of that bottom line. Now I have my number 1 guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new guideline by going up about 1/2 inch. Now I went ahead and closed the lever all the way, and now I'm going to start to blend out that bottom line. Now here I have my number 1.5 guard with the lever all the way closed, and I'm going to continue to blend up, flicking out about 1/4 inch. Now here I'm actually going to go ahead and wet my client's hair down with water and kind of start to comb the hair in the direction that I want it to go. And then once I get it all combed out, I'm going to grab my clipper over comb and start to clipper over comb that bulk. So here I did notice a little bit of a dark spot, so I always like to go back to my previous step to go ahead and knock it out. Now for the lineup, I always like to trim out the baby hairs that he has in the front, just to make it easier to go ahead and line up. And to trim them up, I'm using the 1.5 guard with the lever all the way closed, and I'm basically just flicking out, flaring out the little baby hairs. Now for this haircut, I am going to be blow drying his hair just to add a little bit of volume. He doesn't really like much product in his hair, so just adding volume and leaving it nice and dry will make it look pretty nice. But the stuff that I'm applying to his hair right now is called Elegance Hair Serum. It basically acts like a heat protectant to his hair, and it also helps me add volume. But you guys, that was a cut. If you guys end up liking this video, please hit that thumbs up. Also, if you guys are not subscribed already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JZepeda_the_barber. And if you guys would also like to know where you guys could purchase any of the tools and equipment I use inside this video, the link will be down in the description down below. But that's it for this video, you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one.